My name is Nina Jablonski. I'm a professor of anthropology at Penn State University, and I'm in the middle of the annual meeting of the American Association of Physical Anthropologists in Austin, Texas. I study primate and human evolution, and I'm really interested in how humans and non-human primates have evolved in response to the environment over millions of years. In the last 25 years, I've been particularly interested in questions that aren't readily preserved in the fossil record. So I've been studying especially things like the evolution of skin and skin color, because I think those are really interesting and important traits that are still poorly understood. I think that it is really important that we talk about human evolution in real substantive ways, about how we are all related, about how closely related modern humans are, and how recently the physical traits that are conspicuous on us, our skin color, hair color, eye color, how quickly those have evolved in geological time. In a wisp of time, we have undergone changes for a variety of reasons, and these things, these characteristics, have come to be privileged for social reasons, but most people don't recognize that they're really, really recently evolved, and that they represent, in many cases, adaptations to the environment. So there's a lot of misunderstanding about how this physical diversity that we so intensely privilege and scrutinize actually came about in the first place. And so I like to do research that investigates the origins of this diversity and that helps people understand it. I'm involved in a lot of public outreach so that not only adults but kids can understand how skin color diversity evolved, hair color and hair texture, and all these things that people worry about, even obsess about, and that have come to be important in human social interactions. Diversity matters enormously in our own field because we are, in a sense, the inheritors of a very racist past. And we have to do a lot, not to atone necessarily, but to try to make right by recognizing the ideological problems of our discipline and encouraging the best possible sort of intellectual hygiene. And one of those steps to create a better and more diverse biological anthropology discipline is to get kids interested in the evolution of humans and human diversity from the time that they're quite small, so that studying human evolution and human diversity becomes something that they want to do, regardless of where they grew up and what they look like. I think we can do a lot to, infect our kids in the best possible way with the studies of human biological diversity, and they will grow up to be the future biological anthropologists in 20, 30, or 50 years' time. We need to think very deliberately about diversity, not expect things to get better, not hope that things are going to get better, but work really actively and proactively so that our discipline becomes more functionally diverse. It doesn't mean just having faces that look different. It means having people who think differently and bring different perspectives to our institution and our intellectual table.